This is a city in Luxembourg. Along with this, we will show you very beautiful and small village in Germany, which is known as Rallingen. Between them lies a very beautiful river called Soar. In French, it pronounced in English. We can call it Shout, but in Urdu we will call it Soar. This river has water sports, as you can see. People also do fishing here. Assalamualaikum, Guten Tag, Namaste and Sat Sri Akal. I warmly welcome you guys to my channel Travel Europe and me. Viewers, I hope you all are very happy in your lives and you are doing good. Today I will show you a very beautiful river. In today's video we will show you how people go to river to get rid of heat. When the temperature here is high, 30 plus, it will be 32, 33, 34 or 35 degrees centigrade. When the temperature is too much high, people mostly go to river to get rid of heat and for the purpose to normal their body temperature. Viewers, in today's video, I will take you to visit the nearest river to me, the Soar river, which I have introduced earlier. People come to the river in summer. The purpose for coming here is boating, bathing and fishing. Viewers, this video is taken from the German side, and in this video I will show you the view of the river from the German side. Viewers, as you have seen that a fisherman is here. This fisherman belongs to Luxembourg. The purpose of this man to come here is to catch a fish. He wants to doing fishing due to this reason. This fisherman comes here. Viewers, you have seen fishing sticks in his hand. He had all the necessary equipment which are necessary for catching the fish. And he is trying to catch a fish. Oh, by the grace of God, he has even catch a fish here. This river Soar, which I am taking you to visit, has very low water, so people are allowed to bath here because this river is not dangerous for bathing. There are about 21 places in Luxembourg that are safe for bathing, and this river is one of them. Place along with river has been kept very clean. Here cleanliness is taken care of. The river of water is also very clean and transparent. Viewers, no one is allowed to throw anything in the river. It is very good place for those who come for camping with their children. Viewers, children are play here peacefully. There is no problem of parking of vehicles here as there is a huge area for parking. It is a very beautiful place for visit. People come here to get rid of heat and for the sake of enjoyment. People doing camping, fishing, boating, bathing to relieve their stress and to relax their minds. Viewers, food and drink items are also available here. People who come here for camping and fishing and are also provided with electricity inside their camp. There is no issue of electricity. There is also no issue of parking and to getting food items. everything is available here. Water sports has been built here and there are many resort, restaurants and hotel resorts and restaurants are easily available near this river which are not very expensive and they are available at reasonable prices. When this river is located in the province, it is linking to is called Island Falls. Now let me show you a pool where this video is being made. On one side of the bridge is the area of Luxembourg and on the other side is Germany. Yes, on the other side Germany is present. Whose village is Rillingen? Viewers, this is the area of Rillingen where we made this video and Rillingen belongs to Germany. As I already told you about the fisherman, if we're talking about fruit, then we can say that cherry, grapes, pear, etc. are found in very large amount. These fruits are present abundantly here. Okay viewers, it's time to end our video. I hope you like our today's video in which I show you a very beautiful river and also told you about the things found near this river. This is a very relaxing place for visitors. Inshallah, I will come in your service with a very beautiful and interesting video as soon as possible. Until then, take care of yourself and thank you so much for watching our video. Be happy and stay connected with us. Take care of yourselves, be happy and enjoy your life. Bye bye, take care.